Rotate a view. Drag the screen. This is 360 degrees.
Atlantica SunGarden Beach is a good 4-star hotel with a large green area with stunning views and big pools. You can stay in either small buildings with separate entrances or the main building. Additionally, the rooms have been renovated and look great. Moving on to the main building, while there is an amphitheater, entertainment could be improved. Currently, there is only live music in the evenings. The hotel offers tasty and diverse food that matches its 4-star rating. Some guests have expressed dissatisfaction with the service, despite the fact that the hotel's booking rating has recently improved from 7.1 to 7.5. Furthermore, the hotel does not have a private beach. You will need to walk 5 minutes to reach the sea, which is a minor inconvenience. However, once you arrive, the crystal clear waters will amaze and relax you.